Ìyálájé ni o, ìyálájé ni o, ẹ gbà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìyálájé beauty, àwọn ọlọ́run gbà fún. Makeup artist with magic fingers, káyà gèlè kó dúró re #1 ni wọ́n
o. Okay, so you see him, you put on the jewelries. Yay. Ìyálájé oníjèlè kan, lọ́jọ́dé kan, gèlè kan, London kan, gorgeous ìyálájé. You see, you guys, I love this my music. God bless my musician. Then you put on your earring. You see, you guys, you are good to go. This one and they call Oh Baby. You know meaning of Oh Baby? When you know say they complete, everything completes. That is meaning of Oh Baby. So you see the result, guys. So you see. So thank you everyone. Wow, this is the result. Thank you everyone, all my customer, family. Later just put on your wig or your gilly. You are good to go. Yay. You see it? Wow. The makeup, I done it by myself. And the look, you see it? So you can watch the video and I promise you are going to achieve a lot, guys. So this moment of lockdown, make sure everyone, you try to achieve 1 or 2, 3 things. So thank you everyone for your patronage, for your love, for your calling, for your booking, and for sharing my video, and for even put like, and for your thumbs up, and for leaving a good comment for me. God bless each and every one. So if you have your event coming on the way, by God's grace, you can call us. You can book us. Ìyálájé, she's worldwide. So anywhere, Italy, Germany, Holland, Spain, France, Ireland, even Italy. Io voglio benissimo Italia. So anyone say hai qualche festa, matrimonio, compleanno in Italia da fare, chiamami amore, non ti preoccupare, chiamami. Io vado dappertutto e sono brava. Va bene amore? So grazie mille e Dio benedica tutti e ci vediamo presto. Arrivederci. You see the look is complete. So now I'll just go and put on my wig. I'm good to go. Thank you everyone. Grazie mille e Dio benedica tutti. Ciao, arrivederci. Hello everyone, all my family, my lovers, my customer. Thank you everyone. This is your one and only Ìyálájé Makeup and Gele, the magic finger, the CEO. Ìyálájé kan, Gele kan, London kan. Thank you everyone. God bless you. Thank you everyone. Yeah. So thank you everyone. God bless you. Let us go straight away to the business today. Someone inboxed me, and thank you everyone that inboxed me. I have a lady that inboxed me. God bless you. Thank you so much. When someone inboxed me, said to me, please, Ìyálájé, can you do this thing for me? I'll be happy. So that means you have interest for what I'm doing. Oh, God bless you. I really appreciate you. I don't take you for granted. God bless you. Thank you so much. She told me, please, Ìyálájé, if you can tie this sego. She said because she don't have ashoke. She has sego. This one will call it sego. You see the way they do? So we'll call it sego. We Yoruba people, normally we have ashoke. Ashoke is easy one. And no, sorry, even sego is easy, but if they do like this, see, they make kakaka. So we Yoruba, they have ashoke. So, and she said to me, please, if you can be able to tie gele, she want to see me hit how to tie it on my hair so that she can watch the video. I said, okay, va bene, no c'è problema. So today I'm here. Thank you so much. I want to show you how you can be able to tie the gele on your head. So you see this gele is long one. Just do it 50-50. Equal. 50-50 means equal. You see it? Equal. You see it? So when you do it equal, look at the tip. Then you just take it like this. You see it? Take it to the back. Then make sure you fold the tip. Then this side, sorry you guys. Now see the thing they make crack. Then hold this one. And if anybody have this type of gele at home, then you can be able to use it. So you do it like this. So if you want, you can just do about 2 pleating. Because this gele is multicolor. So multicolor mean like 2 color. So you do it like this because you know you don't have anybody that will help you. This one you do it by yourself. So the same thing here too. So when you get here, you can leave this one. You can leave it. Then you open it, you know, at the back. Open it, that means that you bring it forward. You see what I mean? You bring it forward. Then here. And when you are doing it, you don't rush. Then you see this tip. You see? Let me do that. This mirror. I just do like this. You see? Okay, so you do the same thing here. Then you tie it at the back. It's up to you, the way you want your gele to tight, like me. Because of I have a lot of earrings, so I don't like my gele too tight. So, but if you want it tight, you tie it. But for me, I'm okay like this. I don't like it too tight, especially when it comes to sego, because sometimes sego you hurt your ear. So this is where we are going to. This is what it means. Let us go straight to the business. So when you get here, it's up to you. If you want it big, you can do it big. And when you are doing it, don't rush, because one thing about gele, when the gele see that you are rushing, the thing will call they do one kind. But when you don't rush, you give him time. You see it? You see? You just the further like this. Then when you get here, you see, you need pin. Always. You remember I said anytime you want to tie your gele, you need pin. And please, when you are pinning it, don't pin your hair. You see? You know, I told you I don't have insurance for if you pin your hair. I have insurance for everything. But if you go and pin your hair, I don't have insurance on it. So you see, then you come to the other side. You can just do it like this. Then you need pin. It's up to you. You can use 2 pins, you can use 3. until you feel it that, sorry, the pin, the way they choose their mat is not good. Okay. Okay. This one is better. Then after do that, so you now come back here, you set it the way you want it. Maybe when you see that it's too big, you can just reduce it a little. No, sorry, I have to pin this one. Yeah, I think no. Here, let me pin it here. Sorry, let me pin here. Okay. Oh, you see it, guy? Wow, I love this Milo. So that is the finishing of the gele. You see it, guy? So let us dance. So you can be able just try it by yourself. See, this is Sego gele. The makeup I done it by myself. The gele by myself. Everything by myself. Just only the dress that I didn't do by myself. I give it to my special tailor in Nigeria. She's the one that made the dress for me. So thank you, everyone. So try it, and I promise you, you'll get it. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. If you are not part of my family before, just what are you waiting for? Be family with me. I love each and every one. God bless you. Thank you so much, everyone. Grazie mille. So let us dance. We have to dance. You see the dress? So thank you, everyone. God bless you. I love music, so that is the reason. Thank you so much, everyone. So that is the look. Grazie mille. Arrivederci. Ci vediamo presto. God bless you, everyone, and thank you so much. I really appreciate you for your comment, for sharing the video. Like it, always like it, please like it, comment and thumbs up. And if you have any something that you want to say, free guys, free inbox me and I'll get back to you. Ciao ciao, one love. Hello everyone, all my friends, my family, my lovers. Thank you. This is your one and only Iyalaje Makeup and Gele the Magic Finger, the CEO. Iyalaje kan, Gele kan. Oh, hello everyone. This is your one and only Iyalaje Makeup and Gele the Magic Finger, the CEO. Iyalaje kan, Gele kan, London kan. Thank you, everyone. Iyalaje, this is me. I'm professional makeup artist. I live in London. So anytime you have your party, your event, free to call me, free to inbox me. You see me? I'm simple. I'm so easy. I love to make friends, to make family. So to God be the glory. Thank you, everyone. If you are not part of my family before, what are you waiting for? Free to join me, to be part of my family. Inside this my YouTube, you are going to achieve a lot. How to do makeup, how you can dress up yourself if you have a party, or sometimes your makeup artist disappoints you. So how can you going to sort it out, all my friend? So try to watch Iyalaje how to tie gele and how to be able to do makeup, even the way you can dress. When you dress unique, you know what I mean? So when you get to the party, they'll look and say, wow. So today, all my friend, thank you, Esho. Ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo ni o ṣe wà o. La ṣe wà. Ẹ̀yin tí Iyalaje báwo ni o ṣe wà o. Èmi ni o, Yorùbá ni mi o. Àwa Yorùbá, àwa la lakọ, àwa la lóge, àwa la lẹ́wà, àwa la làṣà. Torí ẹ̀ ni Iyalaje fi wà bí. Torí ẹ̀ náà fi pè mí ní Iyalaje.